Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday and a great weekend, and I hope you're all safe from all these winter storms that are going on. So I hope you're all safe and warm. Well, welcome to my January Saturday stitching, and the theme this month is winter. So we're going to be starting this beautiful door with the skates and the little tree and the porch. And today we're going to start right in here because it was the biggest area I could find. The color is 3326, and let me get everybody secure there. It's kind of a light to a medium pink, so I think it will get a little bit darker, you know, as we stitch a concentrated area. So yeah, and I got my little winter magnet, so, or needle minder, or whatever it is supposed to be called. Let me pull you this way a bit and pull you in just a little bit more. There you go. So how are we all doing, peeps? I hope you're staying warm and toasty, because it's going to be a chilly weekend, I think. It's kind of chilly here. It's about, 10 to 13 degrees, you know. So, fun times. We didn't get more than maybe an inch. I don't even think we got 2 inches of snow. And they're not even calling for snow today, so we'll see how that all turns out. You know, because I think we're at the tail end of, or beginning or end of that storm, so we're not getting too much here where I'm at. And it didn't even start snowing yesterday until about 2-3 o'clock. Yeah, stayed in most of the day. I did get a nap, yay. And I made corn fritters. Now, I just make them kind of the way my grandmother used to make them. I take 2 cups of pancake mix, you know, the complete pancake mix that you would only add water to, and a can of cream corn. Just pour those 2 together, and I kind of stir it together. And add a little water to make it so it's thin enough to, you know, dip out into making it little pancakes. So had that with some andouille sausage that I happen to have, and it made a good meal for lunch, so I'll be having those today. Again, just to get rid of them. It made about 8 or 10 of those, maybe. Something to that effect. So, I have plenty left over, and had that, and then I made that earlier, like lunchtime-ish. And then I had my chili for dinner. And it was nice and warm and toasty, because it was a chilly day. Wasn't a whole bunch of terrible wind or anything like that. I didn't even notice that, because usually if it's terribly windy, you notice. Let me get my thimble on, because yeah, I stitched mostly yesterday on that mandala. Yeah, I haven't made a whole bunch of progress, because I was just taking like 1 thread of each color and working through it just to kind of get the gist of the pattern, if you will. So, yeah. So that was all I stitched on. Listened to some YouTube and some audiobook, and yeah, just kind of vegged, because it was not a day to go anywhere. Crying out loud. What is going on? This thing is so small I can't hardly get a hold of it. There There we go. I would have started over here on this edge, but they were all light colors, like 3865 or B5200 or pale, pale, pale blue on a blue symbol. Yeah, no. I wanted you to be able to see what I was stitching. So the door won out. And I wanted a darker pink, but that was just kind of the highlights, you know, of the door. Yeah, it didn't go very far. So, fun times. So I have no idea what I'll be up to today. We'll just kind of play it by ear. I don't think I'll have any reason to go out. I say that, and something always is afoot, you know? But I can entertain myself. Heaven knows I have enough stuff to entertain myself. And before I forget, I had a viewer send me some pictures. I'll put those in here. All right. Thank you, Sharon. They are gorgeous. It's two that she's working on. She's working on the 4 seasons. Boy, she about got that winter section just done. Almost. It looked done. Wow. Way to go. She said she started working on the back stitching, but she put the whole thing in timeout because she's not a fan of back stitching. Oh, I get that so entirely. We're having issues today. Come on, everybody, function. Really? Seriously, kids. Oh, please. All right, I'm back. Yeah, I did a Lora. I cut the whole thread right in half instead of the one that I was supposed to be cut. Told you, some days we can stitch until the cows come home. Other days, it's a fight. Oh my goodness. I don't know, guys. I don't know. So I don't know if I'll be working on this again today. But thank you, Sharon. That's what I wanted to say, for sending those beautiful pictures. They're going to be gorgeous when they're done. If anybody else has any projects you're working on, doesn't have to just be cross stitch. It can be something you finished, or whatever craft you're into. Send it to my email address, and it's in the description box below, and I will get it into the next stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my. But I hope everybody's safe and warm from all these crazy storms that are going across the U.S. I don't know about overseas anything, because we don't get too much of a weather report from any of those places at all. So, yeah. Just by what y'all tell me, if you live in, the UK or Scotland or any place else out there, that's all I get. So, I'm sorry, but yep, that's the way it goes around here. But I hope everybody's safe and warm. And if you happen to live in Australia, I hope you're nice and cool. Oh, Lord. I'm telling you. Weather's wonderful, isn't it? It's either super great or not so much, yeah. So we're kind of going through the not so much. I wish it'd just snow and get it over with. It looked crazy yesterday, like we couldn't even see the mountains. And I was talking to my daughter, and she goes, I wish it would just snow already. I know. Because couldn't see the mountains. It looked like the snow was coming right straight at us, but no, not a whole bunch. They probably got some up there on top. that was not be one of the places I'd want to be, is up on that mountain, because that wind can come right across. And you can see how it kicks up when there is snow. You know, kicks up the snow up on top. You know it's got to be frigid. So, yeah, looks like Mount Everest out there. Nope, we're kind of good. I am not a cold weather person, and I'm not a hot weather person either. You know, one extreme. I'm like right in the middle. Yeah, that's me. Because I just don't like to be hot or freezing cold. Warm is good. Warm is good. So, yeah, but we don't get that around here. You get warm, but not terribly hot. So summers are absolutely lovely here. They've never really crested over 100 here, ever. Might get some 90-degree weather every once in a while, but not so much terribly hot like Palm Springs, you know, in desert in Arizona. Yeah, nope. I did that too. Nope, can't handle that. It's just too hot. So, fun times. But I'm ready for spring and summer now. You know, I know it's only January and we've got a long ways to go. So we'll see. We'll see. Finish this line of stitching here. Then I'll turn it around and let you see. Hopefully I'll get, you know, show you up close, of course, since this is a small picture. And I missed a whole stitch there. Did you see that? Yeah. Nope, you didn't see anything. Everything's fine. We got it. But yeah, I'm really enjoying working on that mandala thing. It's kind of nice. Crisp, beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful. So we'll see how much of that I can get done today. And even work on this crazy door here, because I know there's some blue hiding in there, but just the stitches are here, there, and everywhere. You know, a little bit here, a little bit there, just as accents. So that's why I picked this color. All right, we got that part done. But as you'll see here in a minute, it did turn out to be kind of a darker, let me get rid of this, darker looking pink. I don't know if it looks too dark there, but it's kind of a medium rose color in my thing. So yeah. So I think it'll be fine. So we'll stitch on it for a while and put some color in there, but most of that background, I don't know if you can tell, it's got a lot of white and there's like scattered blue, like a line or so. So yep. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.